Picture this. It's 3 a.m., and somewhere in a server farm, thousands of AI agents are working non-stop, executing trades, managing medical records, updating supply chains, all moving faster than we could ever imagine. But what happens if one of them goes rogue?
You're right, Maya. This isn't just hypothetical anymore. Just last week, a major tech company had to shut down their AI customer service system after their agent started, let's say, getting a little too creative with refund policies.
Creative, indeed. And that's exactly why today's topic is so fascinating. We're talking about guardian agents, essentially AI babysitters for other AIs. Gartner even predicts these digital watchdogs are set to become a huge industry.
Right? And they expect guardian agents to capture 10 to 15% of the entire AI agent market by 2030. That's billions on the line. But before we get into the numbers, can you break down what exactly these guardian agents do?
Sure. Imagine hiring an assistant who works around the clock. No coffee breaks, ultra efficient. Sounds great, right? But what if that assistant starts making decisions you never authorized? Or worse, what if someone hacks into their system?
That's where guardian agents come in. Think of them as the security guards for your AI systems. They watch over content, monitor behaviors, and, this is key, they step in to block problems before they escalate.
And the timing couldn't be better, huh? Did you see those poll numbers? 24% of companies have already deployed AI agents, and another 50% are actively experimenting with them.
The pace is staggering. And here's something that really stood out. 52% of these AI agents handle internal functions, things like IT, HR, accounting. We're talking real decisions, affecting real jobs.
Exactly. But this opens up a new concern. The threats these AI agents face are growing more sophisticated. Things like credential hijacking, data poisoning, or AI agents being tricked into interacting with criminal websites.
Hold up. Criminal websites? How does that even work?
Imagine an AI tasked with finding the best suppliers for a company. It finds what looks like a legit supplier, places orders, but turns out that supplier is actually a front for criminals. Now they've got your company's payment info and access to your supply chain.
That's terrifying. And you're telling me this is happening right now?
Sadly, yes. But here's where guardian agents step in. There are 3 types: reviewers, monitors, and protectors. The reviewers double-check everything the AI does, monitors watch for any unusual behavior, and protectors, well, they can actually stop the AI in real time.
Protectors, huh? So imagine an AI trying to transfer $1 million to a suspicious account. A protector can freeze that transaction instantly?
Exactly. But here's the thing. If we need AI to watch other AI, who's watching the watchers? Doesn't that just add another layer of complexity?
That's the big question. And honestly, that's why this market is going to explode. Companies realize they need multiple layers of security, kind of like having both security cameras and actual security guards.
Gartner even predicts that by 2028, 70% of AI applications will use multi-agent systems. We're talking AIs communicating at speeds that humans can't even follow.
It's like high-frequency trading in the stock market. By the time you notice something's wrong, millions of transactions could be in motion.
Exactly. And just like the stock market added circuit breakers, AI is adding guardian agents as safeguards.
Let's make this practical. If you're a business owner listening to this, what should you be thinking about?
If you're using AI agents, or planning to, you need to start thinking about governance. It's not just about deploying AI anymore. It's about doing it responsibly and safely.
And the costs?
Yeah, guardian agents will add extra costs. But when you compare that to the cost of an AI agent going rogue, damaged reputation, legal issues, disruption, it's worth every penny.
We've seen companies fall apart from a single data breach. It's a nightmare.
Exactly. And here's something else to think about. 23% of AI agents are customer-facing. They're interacting with your clients, making promises, processing orders.
The potential for disaster is huge. Imagine an AI offering full refunds to everyone, or worse, leaking customer data.
Or offering bad medical or financial advice. The liability would be a nightmare.
So guardian agents aren't just a luxury, they're quickly becoming essential. It's like how we don't question the need for antivirus software anymore.
Great comparison. And just like antivirus software evolved from simple scanners to complex behavioral systems, guardian agents are also evolving.
So do you think Gartner's 10 to 15% prediction is conservative?
Honestly, I think it might be. As AI agents become more autonomous, the need for oversight will grow exponentially. This is an entirely new industry that didn't even exist 5 years ago.
And it's not just about preventing disasters. Guardian agents can help optimize AI performance, ensure compliance, and keep audit trails for every action an AI takes.
The regulatory side is huge. With AI regulations popping up everywhere, companies need a way to prove their systems are ethical and legal. Guardian agents provide that proof.
It's like we're creating a whole new ecosystem: AI workers, supervisors, security guards, auditors.
A digital society with checks and balances. Just like with humans, these systems need governance to function properly.
So, what's the key takeaway for our listeners?
If you're in tech, business, or any field using AI, guardian agents are not just another buzzword. They're going to be as essential to AI deployment as firewalls are to networks. The real question isn't if you'll need them, but when and how you'll implement them.
And for investors and entrepreneurs, this is one of the most exciting emerging markets to watch. We're literally talking about the security infrastructure for the AI age.
Couldn't have said it better myself. The future isn't just about AI, it's about AI keeping other AI in check. And that future is arriving faster than we realize.
Thanks for joining us today. In a world where AI agents are making more decisions every day, the question isn't just how smart they are, it's how safe they are.
And guardian agents might just be the answer. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and maybe start thinking about who's watching your AI.
Laughs nervously. Outro music begins.